All right, I've had enough of the music. Excuse me. Welcome back, everyone. Many of you might know I'm traveling. And number one, thank you for all the DMs about yesterday. I went to a training, a school with Tim Kennedy. Many of you might know Tim Kennedy. Awesome guy, Special Forces, MMA guy. Anyway, the class started at 8 a.m. Central Time, and it was like an hour and a half drive from my hotel, so I did miss that. I did miss pre-market prep yesterday. I do apologize for that, but it was for a good reason. And if you're on YouTube or Facebook, I know you've got a blank screen, but just not my day this morning. Overnight, my MacBook installed an update, and it will not allow me to share my screen. I did all the things I'm supposed to do, and I'm tech savvy, so I'll figure it out. I just didn't have time. All of a sudden, it was 2 minutes to go live, and everything I tried didn't work. So if you're on YouTube, Facebook, etc., I apologize, but yes, you have a blank screen. Yes, I tried to do everything that Livestream recommended, but bear with me. And if you're on Instagram, by the way, actually, I'm going to shut that light off. If you're on Instagram, my phone is in a cardboard Starbucks drink holder. So my travel setup is not on point, I admit. I used to travel all the time. I used to go somewhere, fly somewhere once a month, but with coronavirus, it's been a while. So anyway, if you're on Instagram and like my phone tips over or something, it's because I've got it stuck into a cardboard Starbucks drink holder. So anyway, hey man, they say, 80% of success is just showing up. I'm here for you, baby. I got tech issues. I don't have my selfie stick, but let's make the best of it, my friends. Let's make the best of it. So anyway, Michael asks about CLSN. Sideways, no volume. No offense, Michael. I don't see anything on CLSN. Nope, CLSN is dead. Sorry, Michael. VERU. What's VERU doing this morning? Big runner yesterday. Ooh, that's a pretty looking weak open red to green. Audio junkie. This is, so you've got a big runner the day before. So here come the hands. Okay, if you're on, I'll do the hands. Previous day's big runner. Has some news, suspect news, but it has news. Closes at or around the high of the day. Also closes at a 52-week high. Big break out there on that cup and handle. And it's Friday. And it's a relatively low float stock. So this is, I always try and avoid using textbook. I like to only use that when it checks every box. This is a little higher float and a little lower volume. So I wouldn't call this textbook, but this is a very, very good week open red to green setup. So 834 VERU. Very good Friday red to green setup. Try not to tip my phone over here. JG is a dip and rip. Let's take a look. Today's biggest gainer. So we got some news, higher float. Big breakout. This is another example. I would not call this a textbook dip and rip because of the float. I'd probably be more inclined to look at an afternoon VWAP hold, but I don't hate it as a dip and rip. I just wouldn't call it. It's a lot like VERU. I wouldn't call this a textbook dip and rip. So, but have a stop, trade your plan, stick to it. I got no beef with it. So, not a textbook dip and rip, but possible trade. Just don't like the float on a Friday. I'd lean more towards an afternoon VWAP hold. GME squeeze, man, guys, and remember, you guys know I love the idea of the Wall Street bet stocks, but guys and gals, there is a how do I want to put this? There is a repeating process that happens in the markets where money, and this might be the biggest takeaway from today, all right? Money flows in the market. It flows from the uneducated and unprepared to the prepared and educated. Now, when I say educated, I don't mean a Ivy League at all. I mean people that have studied markets, people that understand the cycle of animal spirits, irrational exuberance, and the but you got to recognize listen, I was screaming about GME in December, all right? Actually, November. Recognize what is happening here. Be the educated. Be the person that recognize the game. So at the end of the day. So CLOV. I saw CLOV moving this morning. So this had the Hindenburg hit piece. So this had a short seller report. Man, if this breaks yesterday's highs, the squeeze is on. So short seller hit piece on this. Look for afternoon breaks of yesterday's highs. Another pattern straight out of the book. So 8:39 a.m. CLOV. It's Friday squeeze over 13. Friday afternoon squeeze. My phone's gonna tip over here. DraftKings is a swing trade. Love DraftKings. Let me take a look at the chart. Oh, beautiful. So, oh, look at that. Love it. So this would be, and again, this is another, whether it be Penn or DraftKings, love these plays. These have been swing trades for months, ever since the casinos and sports opened back up. I got to grab coffee number. I got 1, 2, 3, number 4. I got to bust out number 4 here. So got to get all these things out of the way. So anyway, what is our number one entry pattern on a quality stock? Remember, DraftKings was a SPAC too. So on a hot, basically IPO slash SPAC, real company, solid chart. A lot of people love this stock. That, and again, if you're on YouTube, I'm doing the hands. We're looking for that VWAP hugging action into the afternoon perks with a risk on a VWAP fail. So if it drops below VWAP, you stop out for today. Otherwise, if this stock closes above VWAP into the afternoon, that's your swing trade thesis. Set your stop, let it work. But this DraftKings love this. So, 841. Love DKNG. Afternoon VWAP holds for swing. SPY at all-time highs. Love it, baby. PayPal was an earnings winner yesterday or the day before, right? Every earnings. So I will leave you guys with this. We're in the middle of earnings season. One of the best times to be trading. Focus on earnings, focus on earnings, focus on earnings. And when you've got and let me pay attention. This is the closing statement. As a new trader, remember earnings season lasts 5-6 weeks, 4 times a year. So you've got roughly half the year. I mean, at the end of the day, almost half of the year we have earnings. That's when you got to be dialed in as a trader. It's when you got to be focused. We don't always have Wall Street bets mania, okay? And what you're looking for is exactly like PayPal. Hot sector stock. I mean, they're allowing trading of crypto, e-payments, e-commerce. Checks all the boxes. They got good earnings. And then you look for week open red to greens every day. And because what that tells you is if the stock opens red, goes back green on the day, and it's an earnings winner, that tells you buyers are in control. You look for that on. And I'm saying everything that's hot sector. Amazon, Apple, Tesla, PayPal. This strategy on some boring oil and gas stock or some boring retail, like JCPenney, okay? Sexy stuff. Technology, social media, cloud computing, electric vehicles. Hot sector breaks out on earnings, week open red to greens every day. So, all right, guys, sorry about all of the glitches. And again, it's just, everything worked yesterday. It's just, I took some update overnight on my MacBook and my phone. I forgot my selfie stick, but you know what? Somebody still showed up, and I'm still here 4 coffees deep for you guys. So, and have a great day. I'll fix the glitches for Monday. Check out the Steady Trade team. Check out the watch list. Watch list goes out every Sunday. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. I'm not even going to do the music. Imagine I'm playing the music. I don't even know. I can't remember where I put the file on my laptop, so. All right, have a good day.